Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So, before we start with day 6, let's quickly revise what we did on day 5. So, day 5, we discuss about while loop, while count 0, print count, and we change the count. We change the counter. Here, we reduce the value, counter value. Okay. And the home task was start from n and subtract 1 in each loop. This is easy. I'm not solving this one. Then, a second concept we discuss list. So list can store number, words, or it can be mixed. For example, here list is storing 10, hello, 4.5. And there are different kind of list functions, right? Append, insert, remove, pop, sort, reverse. I can access index access. If you want to access first element, you will say list 0. 0 is the first element. And last element here, 0, 1, 2. So it will be passing 2 here. And we also saw some examples where we found out the maximum number, like maximum number in the list, max and numbers. Max is a function we pass the list inside the in the function, and it will print 9. And mean numbers it will print 1. And the home task given was find the second largest number in the list. Okay. So how do we solve this problem? Second largest number. So let's try to solve this. Num list equal to, let's have some numbers, 2 comma 4 comma 89, 78, 60, 45. Okay, so this is the list, and I need to find out the second largest number. So what we can do, like we can get the max number, largest equal to max and num list. So this will be the largest number. Then from this list, we can remove the largest number. Remove, remove the largest number. Now second largest will be largest. Second will be max of this list because the largest number is removed. So this will be the second largest number and then print. Right. Largest is 89 here. Second is 78. Right. Second largest is 78. So 89 is removed. So second largest becomes the largest number. Right. So this is what we did. This is a simple one. Or what we can do, we can use a sort. We can sort it. Okay. So let's sort this one. Num list sort, and let's pin this one. Hmm, okay. Num list sort, then print num. Let it sort, then only we'll print it. Okay. So if we have to print the second largest from the end, it will be the second number. So what is the like 89? How do we access? Index will be uh it will be num underscore list and length of the array is num list If length of the array is 4, then last number will be 4 minus 1 because first element is 0, not the, it's not 1, right? If first element is 0, 0th position, so the last element will be length minus 1. That is the last element. Last element. So second element will be minus 2. Second element will be minus 2. And now to print it, this should be okay. The list of date is not callable. Okay. So this is actually not here. It should be num list minus 2. This will be the square bracket. It will bring square bracket minus 2. Array index itself in the square bracket. So 78. Second one. And we know that we don't need this. We can say from last it's minus 2. This will also work. We don't need to give length. From last it's a minus 2. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this one we can print by num list 3, or we can say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, so this is the solution. And if they say they don't sort the list, here what is happening? List is getting sorted. So if I don't want to sort the list, let the list be items in the list like in this order, 2, 4, 89, etc. So what we can do, we can call the sorted function. We can call the sorted function, pass the list and minus 2. So this is also fine. Yeah, 78. So we are sorting this, but this list itself is not getting sorted. If I still print this num list, it will be in the same order. This list itself is not getting changed. But when we run a sort on the list, that list itself is getting changed. It is in sorted order, but here it's in the same order, right? Okay. Now let's go to day number 6. So dictionaries. And before we go to dictionary, we have seen that how to loop over a list. So I will just quickly show this how to loop over the list. So the list of items, and we'll be printing each item. So for name in names or for n in names, print n. So this is a standard format, looping or iteration. We go one by one and print it. For n in names or for name in names, print name. So this is how we look through the item in the list. So what is dictionary? Dictionary stores key value pairs. So for example, here student, it's a dictionary, student information, name Amit. Key value. Key is name, value is Amit. Key is age, value is 12. Age is 12. Key is grade, value is 6. So let's copy this one. You should type it out. Then only we will develop uh, muscle memory. So here what is happening? Let's say I'm printing student name, student key value. So student name, Amit is printing. Student age, it will print 12. Student grade, it will print 6. But if I want to change the value, student age equal to 13, it will modify this value. So here I'm updating it. Then if I want to add something new, student city equal to Delhi. And then if I print student, then you will see that new details about the student has been added, that is city, right? City information. city is Delhi. So that got added. So dictionary is key value pair. Now let's have a look at this the dictionary, counting dictionary, where number of apples three. Key is apple, value is three. Banana is key, value is five. And we can change the number of bananas and number of orange. Means orange, we are adding a new item here in the list, right? We can increase this number plus one, means for our four. We can reduce this five minus one, four. So it can be used for counting. If there are multiple items, different kind of items, and I want to count each one of them, so we can use dictionary, key value pair. Here we have a price list, pen 10 rupees, book 50 rupees. So for price list also, we can have key value pair, key and value. And how do we access price dot get pen or price within square bracket pen, and it will print value 10. This will also print 10. So both are same. Price get, then pen, or price within a square bracket pen, that is also 10. And print pencil in price. Is pencil is there in the price? False. No, it's not there. But is pen is there in price? Yes, pen is there. It will say true. It is there. So you can see whether this particular key is there in this dictionary or not using this in. Then look through. You want to print each one of them, like name, size, city, Bangalore. So same thing for KV in person items. For KV, K for key, for key and value in person.items in key. So this is the standard for dictionary. Will be printed like look through like this. For list, we have seen that for n in names print n, but for dictionary, the two values for KV in person items print KV. How do we remove items? Here we have A1, B2, C3. So we will do pop. Pop key. Key is B here. So B, item B will be removed. So you can try this out. And this one you can solve. Count the frequency of each word in a sentence. Count the frequency of each word in a sentence. Let's say sentence is hello, how, you, how, hello, taste. So hello two times, hi one time, maybe one more time I can add. Then hello. So hello three times, hi two times, and how are you and all this three times, one time. So only once they appear. So what you can do, you can split it with the sentence so that all the words will be separated. And then you have to count. If hello is not there, you create a dictionary. If hello is not there in the dictionary, create that hello key and set the value one. Then again check hello is there. Then increase that key value of that key. So hello plus one. So it will become two. So hello three, hi two, and other will be one. So that way you can count it. So try this out using this logic. You write a pseudocode, and I have already shared this in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So try this out. And next one, we'll discuss about function. Function is a reusable block of code. So we can reuse it. So for example, here the function is defined by def. So you should all type this out. Like instead of copy pasting, just type it out. So I'm calling this function and add is defined here and it's printing 11. Then I can, so I don't need to write this function again and again. I just need to call. Here it is just a one line, but here it can be 10 line function. But 10 line function I will be achieving just calling one function. Right? 10 line I don't need to repeat again and again. So I will be able to reuse the code. So this is the smallest function, small function, and uh, and you can return the function value also. Return, for example, here you can say return a plus b. In that case, here you have to call print, or you can capture that value in return and then print return. This value is returned in the calling function. This is a basically main. 3, 8, it goes here, gets added up. So 3 plus 8, 11. 11 gets returned. It's returned to this variable rate. It gets stored here, and then you print the rate. And the problem is write a function that counts how many even numbers are in the list. So even number in the list, we have already done this, right? Let's say list equal to 2, comma 7, comma 8, 10, 9. Right? So what we have to do, we have to go through the list. So what you will be doing for maybe name list, then you are going to print it, print now. So we are printing all the items in the list. After that, you need to find out the even number, right? So we will be doing num percent modulus equal to 0. So if you divide by 2, remainder will be 0. So it's even number, right? And then once that is done, you can return it. You can return it, return that number, all the even numbers. So maybe you have to store it in a new array, even number list array, right? And that will be empty. That will be empty, and you keep adding to this. You append it to this list. Keep appending. So all the even numbers will be added to this new list called even underscore list. And finally, you will return. Finally, you will return. Okay. So I think you've got the idea. Finally, you will return this list to the calling function, and in the calling function, you can print. So even number or something. You can name that function even number. And it should be like 4 spaces indented or one tab. It should be indented on the right side. So that's it for today. And try this out. That's very important. Try out every day. Then only you will develop that coding muscle.